We got a misfire. And it's gone. First snowfall of the year, and I got the baddest rig on the road right now. The roads are pretty damn bad. Oh, they stopped. And I'm pretty sure there's like a driving ban right now, but I guarantee Dunkin' Donuts is open right now. It's the Northeast. It could be gridlock. The police force could be shut down. There could be no electricity, no running water, and Dunkin' Donuts will still be open. Fingers crossed, boys. They're totally open. There's no way they're not open right now. I feel so bad for the employees who had to get here in the morning. Thank you. Oh my God, I can't believe they're freaking open right now. Gotta love New England. First snowfall of the year, first time the mini truck has seen snow, and I'm not gonna lie, I took it out last night when it was snowing. Me and Steph went out and I had a blast. I should have filmed it, but I was just kind of enjoying myself, and let me tell you what, the mini truck shits on anything else on the road. It's amazing. It could definitely use some weight in the rear, but when it's in all-wheel drive mode, it can go anywhere. It's badass. Then when you put it in two-wheel drive, if you put the lock and diff on, you could drift it, just kind of slow. If you're hauling ass downhill, it does work pretty good though. But there's plenty of places that still have a lot of snow on the ground, so we'll go have fun with it and you guys can see how great this thing does. But RJ just texted me and he's snowed in, so we gotta go rescue him. Diff locked, two-wheel drive. And two-wheel drive is a blast. Found a fellow mini trucker. We are the king of the road. This kid's road is plowed. What is he talking about? It's really tall. Yo, you're gonna have to change that sweatshirt there, kid.
I had it on before you.
Not gonna happen. You thought you had the day off, huh?
That was this close.
Nope. Back to work, buddy.
Man, just playing Warzone.
Dude, this thing's running rough right now.
Is it?
It might not make it back to the shop.
Oh, great. It sounds like the exhaust is broken.
Oh, I broke the exhaust last night, yeah. There we go.
Bruh.
There we go. Curve to curve.
Practice for next season at Thompson.
Sideways. Never mind this straight, but in the mini truck, it's kind of fun. All right, the spark plug saga continues. I went out and I got the correct plugs this time. Hopefully this will help because the old ones were actually cracked. I didn't even know. You guys told me in the video. Then I looked and they were cracked, so. I let DJ whip the truck home.
Thank you, James.
How was it?
It was great.
Yeah.
It's a tank.
The tank?
In four-wheel.
Yeah, these tires are actually shot.
Oh, we did good.
Hopefully this does the trick. Oh, you guys got the quads out.
You gotta get this thing out.
Yeah, I'll be out there in a second.
Stop screwing around.
What was that?
Stop screwing around.
All right, let's see if it did it. Oh, that's a good sign. Huh.
Couple fresh plugs?
I think that's all she needed. That's it. That's it. Let's see if it breaks up under load like before.
It still hesitates. She'll work. Yo, this low gear is something else.
I was was expecting more of an upward and not like a through.
You're good. You're mint.
Nice.
Try it again. We'll use the winch.
I'll go that way.
I like it.
We have to jump in the bed.
Yeah, give me some weight in the bed, boys.
We need more weight. Sumo.
Yeah.
I got a a peak.
We'll back it out of there. Come on. Yeah. Woo!
We're good.
Nice work, boy. That was all the squad. That was all the squad.
Careful, Donnie.
It is slippery.
Not thick, like compact enough to go over. We just go through it. Look at it.
I say give it another full speed run. That was kind of sick.
Yeah. Full
Well, it's probably a bad idea, but I mean, for the sake of content.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay.
You're gonna tip it.
On that side.
Hey, I think you could clear this spot. Where'd you get that jacket?
Donnie, I look good.
Yeah,
He's official. Give him a mic.
You look like you're ready to report the weather.
That's what Donnie said. Reporting live. Mini trucking, big fucking.
Now it's really gonna tip. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Not gonna tip. This thing's so stable.
AJ, watch out.
Do a front flip.
You'll slip.
No,
Yeah.
I don't want wet shoes for the rest of the day.
Well, get another pair of shoes.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah, that's not working at all.
I need some weight in there.
You're stuck, bud.
I'm stuck.
Boy.
Sewer the beer and then do it. It'll be 10 times cooler.
He's right.
Chug it. Chug it. You got to sewer it. Go ahead.
No way! I didn't think you had it in you.
It's great.
That was the most athletic thing I've ever seen you do.
Did you watch the video today? Yesterday?
No.
James said the same thing.
Finally put this thing to use.
Bri, is this the first rig you're pulling out?
This is slippery.
Put that thing in 4.
Low, baby.
It's got one wheel spinning, this guy. Oh! All right, great. It's free.
Great work.
Yeah.
Great work, guys.
Bri, why'd you have it in 1-wheel drive? Yes, it was. Only the left rear, the left rear was just spinning.
Okay. How did you see the left rear from where you were standing?
I-
Four-wheel drive, you idiot.
No, it wasn't.
1-wheel drive. I saw 1 wheel.
What are you doing?
Dude, we're testing the sled.
Oh my God! Still,
Why did that work so good? It was a little sketchy.
dude, look how far.
This hood's got some ceramic coat. Something.
It got whacked.
This must have been waxed recently. Look at that.
This is a Hyundai hood.
That thing is.
No, it's a Subaru. Very close AC label.
Brian
What
left.
Subaru
Comes
is
back
it?
a minute later with a hood.
That's the best sled I've ever seen.
It's aluminum too, so it's nice and light.
Let's try it again. Let's see how it goes. Damn.
My crotch! You're reeling us in, Donald. What? Why are you so close?
Brian needs to come with me, and we need a.
He was holding the rope.
I'll try.
Hey,
I don't know who this guy is, but you coming on, bro?
you want me to come on there with you?
Yeah, I'd love that.
No!
All right, I would love you to
You're man in the rope?
He need,
man in the camera?
I
guess, dude.
I need to hold on to something. Brian probably is gonna be the one.
Have a good day. Don't hit my truck.
Oh, God, no way! He just did that.
Disrespect right there.
Hey, whoa, bud!
Hold on, Donald.
Thanks for the warning.
Go, Jimmy, go! Floor it! Donald, if we start to hit towards the wall, just jump off.
Yeah, roll backwards, right?
Oh, shit. Then we're going to hit the trailer. Go, Jimmy, go!
Faster!
Go, 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 go!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No!
Jimmy, you didn't spring.
Oh God!
Yeah, go faster, more faster.
Faster! Faster! You
Go
just flew
faster
off
in a
of it.
straight line. You got to turn sooner. We got scared.
I gotta swing it.
Hopefully we don't get one of these studs or this sharp piece of aluminum up our asses.
I didn't think about that, bro. We should be.
I should just be more quiet, huh? We're definitely just gonna nail the bank and then we descend the line.
Hey?
Yeah.
Just gonna dig in.
Oh God!
I slid so far on my ass.
My hand in my ass.
I was like, why did it get a lot lighter out of it?
We got scared of the dumpsters that time.
I was scared for B-Hole to be driving.
You're not scared that you're gonna be on the hood?
Hop on it, Donnie.
Here, go between my legs.
I like that.
Like a small child. There we go. Do your selfie for a second.
How are you in Vans?
I got this.
Oh boy.
We're just terrified.
At least I'm safe. Oh, he's so fast. Ryan, what did you expect? Yo! Shit. Oh my God! Ryan, what is Ryan? Oh no! Not that one! Oh shit! Not that one! No ball! No ball!
He's trying to kill us. Oh, the dumpster. Oh my God.
Is your foot okay? Yeah. It should not have been wrapped like that.
Oh my. You're going so fast. It's like a.
So good.
He's trying to kill him. Oh my God! He just got.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Was it that high?
Yeah.
Or no.
How'd that feel?
Not bad at all. It doesn't hurt. It's just snow.
Yeah, no, it's like more ice than snow at this point.
I can't feel my face.
Oh! Oh! Fuck. Shit! What the fuck?
No way. Dude, Brian is reckless, dude. Look at him.
Stop that!
He bent the hood.
Dude, I thought he was trying to test for electricity. Ben Franklin over here with his kite.
All right, well, I was hoping to show some more of the snow capabilities of the mini truck, but but it didn't really work out today. But man, this thing looks so freaking cool out in the snow. I wish I filmed last night because it was pretty freaking sick. But we had fun. No one died. Things got sketchy. There's a hood attached to it, and it's running like complete asshole. And I know you guys are probably frustrated because I keep trying to band-aid it, and it's just me trying to like just make the thing work for now. But it looks like we're really gonna have to dig into this thing because it's just running rougher and rougher. And well, I know a lot of you guys keep telling me to engine swap it, but the big issue is if we do engine swap it, which I'm down to engine swap one of these things. But keeping it all-wheel drive, engine swapping it would be a very big challenge. If we were gonna be rear-wheel drive, it'd be easy, but as you guys saw, the all-wheel drive capabilities of this thing are really what make it. So I don't know, maybe we'll do something cool with the factory engine. But the carb needs to come off. We need to do a compression test. We got to make sure the head gasket is good on this thing. I don't know, but today was cool. I'm really excited. But I got to drive this thing home because I gave DJ my truck for the week, so he didn't have to drive S14, and I hope it makes it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video, even if we were just honestly just goofing around. But you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and well, have a great night.